This is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Let's go. Listen, I'm going to give you an app right now. So listen, what if I can show you some free apps right now, and it will guarantee 100% pay you $300 or more per day just by doing exactly what you're doing right now. Step number one, go to tv-2.com. Now listen, don't go there right now. Just listen to me, okay? If you have a Samsung TV, okay, a LG, or Apple phone, or an Android, this works. And now listen, I'm going to be honest with you. Personally, I don't even do it. All I do is my children, they have TVs in their room, so I install this app on their TVs, and every show, every cartoon channel that they watch, I get paid. And I'm going to show you how cool and easy this is. And you'll see here, if you scroll down here, Forbes, Entrepreneur, this is some of the companies that they've been written with. It's powerful. And you're basically earning crypto that you can turn to dollars, okay? And all you're doing is watching videos. That's it. And all you have to do is just install the app. That's it. Like if you have an iPhone in your hand right now, Android, you just install the app. That's all you have to do, and just go through the instructions here. And if you scroll down here, you'll see the news. They're powerful here. Many people don't know about it, but people right now are earning crypto. I have about $30,000 worth of crypto right now just using this stuff. And like I said, I have like 3 kids. I probably have some illegitimate kids somewhere. But listen, my children, they watch a bunch of TV, right? So I installed it secretly on their TVs, and I installed the app on the Samsung that we have in my house right now, and they make money. Smash the like button if you can see yourself doing this right now. Because maybe you're the person that don't watch TV, but maybe the people that's in your household do. So get paid, right? Free Bitcoin, free Ethereum every single day, every time they're watching TV, okay? Listen, let me give you the next app. Download it right now. Go to cm.com. That is macmoney.com. This is only for Android. So basically, people, this is crazy, right? Listen, before you hit the like button, imagine getting the text messages, right? They're going to send you text messages, and they're going to give you money. It's crazy, right? All you need to do is download it to your phone. This only works for Android, guys. I'm sorry, it doesn't work for iOS. Only for Androids. Proceed with the installation, register your number, and you're going to receive text messages every once in a while, and they're just going to pay you money. You see here? These are the instructions here. It's the registration process. Put in your phone number. It's very secure as well. I've used this many times. Like my children, some of the people that I know that's trying to make money because they have none, I said, just do this. And listen, it's not meant to make you rich. You're not going to be rich, right? But a couple of dollars a day, maybe $5, $10, $20 a day, that's okay, right? Because it's free money doing exactly what you're doing all day. Many of you are texting people and you're not making any money. You're still broke, average, 9-to-5 job, and I get it. And if you want to move from that, I'm going to show you a cool way at the end of the video to make up to $10,000 per month, which I've helped like too many people do it. And it's simple, so simple to do this. So download the app right now. When you watch the video again, you're going to earn cash. It's very secure, but it only works on Android, okay? And here's the last app, cash4minutes.com. It's crazy, cash4minutes.com. So imagine this. Imagine just listening to internet radio broadcast. This is true, right? So basically, when you download the app, they're going to basically give you this option to listen to internet broadcasts, and they're going to send you money. And you have over 109,000 people right now in counting using this. And you have millions, if not billions, of people on the planet right now. So imagine you just listening to internet radio broadcast. You're going to send a podcast too, and just make easy money. Just hit sign up button right here. So simple, right? And just fill out your information here, and then you're in business. Now, how easy is that? How many of you right now can do that? Now, like I said before, this is not going to make you rich, but it will bring in some money if you're a teenager, a person that stays at home, or a person that has a job but want to make some money on the side. But listen, if you want to be financially free, if you want to be able to do what you want to do, travel the world, leave that 9-to-5 job, and kick that 9-to-5 grind to the curb, listen, in the link in the description below, I can show you 100% how to make $10,000 per month, basically just by clicking the link below. And all I'm going to do is this. I'm going to teach you how to create online products. They're very easy. You don't need any knowledge. You don't need to be an expert. all you need to do is know how to listen. That's it. So if you want that, if you want to leave the 9-to-5 grind, if you want to stay there, don't click the link. If you want to continue to drive in traffic every day, don't click the link. If you want to go to school, universities, to get an education, don't click the link. But if you're looking to be wealthy, abundant, and rich, and do what you want to do and fly around this world butt naked on beaches every single month like I do, it's just the truth, click the link and let me show you how to do that, how easy you can make money in the next 45 days that can completely transform your life. And we're talking about $10,000 to $50,000 per month. So listen, smash the like button if you got any value. I love you guys so much. Now watch the video again and actually do it with me, and you'll see money in your bank account. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go! Thanks for the love, sub, and like. Now, let go!